This one is going to be a very short video. I'm just going to do steps 3 and 4, which is the beginning of editing and opening up that slide master. So steps 3 and 4 just talk about how to open up the slide master and how to edit it. Now before I show you how to do it, I want to explain what a slide master is for. So slide masters are really great tools to use when creating presentations. What they allow you to do is set your formatting, your background colors, how big your bullets are going to be, what the font is, what color they are, all of the formatting things that go into your presentation. If you don't use a slide master and you open up that blank presentation and you create your first slide and you make the font Times New Roman and you make it blue and you make it 24-point font and you have it in a certain location and you then make a new slide. Well, the new slide is going to have those default settings that PowerPoint gave you. All of those things that you just made, the Times New Roman, the 24-point font, the dark blue color, you're going to have to do that all over again. So what the slide master does is allows you to go in one time and set all of the formatting that you like. And then from that point forward, when you close the slide master and just go into your normal content slides, everything that you set in the master is now the default for every slide you create. And as you're going through your presentation slides, let's say you've done 15 slides. Now, of course, for this assignment, you are not doing 15 slides. I just want to give you an idea of how powerful this tool is. So you've done 15 slides and you decide that you want to make a formatting change. If you go in through all of your individual slides, you will have to make that same change 15 times. Or you go into your slide master, you make that change one time in the slide master, and when you close the slide master and go back into your normal content slides, that change has been made to all of your content slides all at once. So anytime you're going to make changes about where bullets are, or the sizes, or the colors, or the formatting, if it's a change that you want on all of your slides, you should always do that change in the master. Now, a lot of people don't really know what masters are and don't use them, but it takes a lot longer if you don't use a master to go through and make all of these changes to your slides. So slide masters are really important, which is why in this assignment I have you using them and learning how to set them up. Now, steps 3 and 4, all we're going to do is open the slide master and then go to the very first slide, because we're going to be setting a background color. And for the background color, typically you want that on every slide you create, no matter whether it's a title and content slide or your title slide. So that's what we're going to be doing as we move forward. So the very first thing we're going to do is open up your slide master and go to the very top level slide, and I'll show you how that works. All right, so this is where we are with our current assignment, and this is what opened up immediately after we just opened up a blank presentation in PowerPoint. Now it defaults to the title slide, and that's what this is. And you see right now it's white. It doesn't have any special anything. Okay, that looks like either Arial or Calibri. You can change that in the master, but let's go ahead and get into that master. So looking at the instructions, step number 3. In the toolbar at the top, click on View, Slide Master. So this is the toolbar at the top. When you see in the instructions I say toolbar or ribbon, that's what we're talking about up here. This is the toolbar, this is the ribbon. And as you click each of these tabs, you'll see that the buttons in the ribbon change based on what it is that you're clicking on. So we are going to go to View, Slide Master. So just click on that. And you see the view just changed. We got a whole bunch of slides down on the left-hand side, and everything here just changed. What's really important to understand is that you are not adding any content here. You're not going to add your title for your presentation. All you're doing in the slide master is editing the format. size, color, all of those things, not writing actual titles or actual words. All right, so it defaults here on this title slide. You can see when I hover over it without clicking that it says title slide layout. And you also notice that the scroll bar on the side is down a little bit. That's because there's more up there that we can't see. We're going to be first changing the background color. So I'm going to left click and hold on that scroll bar, move it up, and now you can see the top level master slide. This is where you want to make changes that will affect every single slide in your presentation, whether it is a title and content slide or a title slide. Remember, this is a title slide that'll have, the name of your presentation on it. This is a title and content layout where you have the title of the slide and then the content for the slide. So there are different types of masters that you can make changes to. So if you want to make changes to how your title slide shows up, you'll do it on this one. If you want to make changes to how your title and content slides look, then you'll come to this one. But this is the one that you have to come to do a background color or a background image or anything that you want on every single slide no matter what. So this is where we're going to go. And that's literally the end of step number 4, is just come up and select this overall master, because the step we're going to take next is going to be to add a color behind every slide you've got. And that's it.